Is drinking 8 glasses of water a day really necessary? Most people believe drinking 8 glasses of water a day is the golden rule for staying healthy. But here's the truth: there's no solid science behind that number. It started decades ago, and even though research and our understanding of the body have improved a lot since then, people still follow it blindly. What if we told you that drinking 8 glasses every single day might not be necessary, and in some cases, could even be bad for you? This video will help you understand how much water your body really needs, how to spot early signs of dehydration, and when you're drinking too much. Stick around until the end, because we'll reveal one common mistake most people make about hydration, and it's something you've probably done yourself. 1. Where did this 8 glasses rule even come from? The 8 glasses a day rule actually started from a government report back in 1945. The recommendation was to consume 2.5 liters of water per day, but what people forget is that the report also mentioned that most of that water would come from food. That detail was lost over time. Today, many people still believe you need to drink 8 full glasses of pure water on top of everything else you eat or drink. But in reality, we get about 20 to 30% of our daily water from food. Foods like watermelon, cucumber, oranges, tomatoes, soup, and yogurt have high water content. Even coffee, tea, and milk count toward your daily fluid intake. So, if you're eating a balanced diet, you're already getting a good portion of the water your body needs, without even picking up a glass. 2. How much water do you really need? Here's the short answer: it depends. Not everyone needs the same amount of water. Your body size, age, physical activity, environment, and even your health condition affect how much water you should drink. For example, a construction worker under the sun all day needs more water than someone sitting in an air-conditioned office. Athletes and gym goers lose water through sweat and need to replace it. People living in hot or humid climates may need to drink more compared to those in cooler places. Also, people who eat mostly dry or processed foods will need more water compared to someone eating fruits and vegetables regularly. Instead of following a fixed number, it's better to follow your body's signals. 3. How do you know you're drinking enough? There are a few simple ways to know if you're staying hydrated. Thirst. Your body naturally tells you when it needs water. Don't ignore it. Urine color. This is one of the easiest indicators. Light yellow means you're hydrated. Time to drink. Energy levels. Dehydration can cause tiredness or fatigue. Headaches. Mild dehydration is one of the most common causes of headaches. Dry lips or mouth, another clear sign your body needs fluids. Paying attention to these signs is way more reliable than counting every glass you drink. 4. What happens if you don't drink enough? Mild dehydration doesn't always feel obvious. Sometimes it just shows up as low energy or a bad mood. But if your body stays dehydrated for too long, it can lead to serious problems. Kidney issues. Your kidneys need water to flush out waste properly. Constipation. Your body pulls water from the colon when it's low, which makes it harder to pass stools. Dizziness or confusion, especially dangerous in older adults. Dry skin. Water is essential for maintaining healthy, elastic skin. Even just 1 to 2% dehydration can affect your focus and memory. That's why it's important to make hydration a habit, but not an obsession. 5. Can you drink too much water? Yes, and it can be dangerous. Drinking too much water, especially in a short time, can lead to a condition called hyponatremia. That's when your blood becomes too diluted, and the sodium levels drop too low. It can cause headaches, nausea, confusion, serious cases, seizures or coma. This doesn't happen from normal drinking throughout the day. But if you're forcing down water constantly, even when you're not thirsty, you could be putting yourself at risk. Athletes who drink large amounts during endurance events without replacing electrolytes are especially vulnerable. The key is balance. 6. What counts as water intake? One of the biggest myths is that only plain water counts. That's not true. Your body doesn't care if water comes from a glass or from a bowl of soup. Here's what counts. Water, tea, and coffee, in normal amounts, milk, juice, fruits and vegetables, soups and stews. Even though sugary drinks like soda technically count, they come with added downsides like sugar and empty calories, so they're not recommended. Caffeine in moderate amounts won't dehydrate you, despite the old myth. You'd have to drink an extreme amount of coffee for it to have a dehydrating effect. Hydration tips that actually work here are a few simple habits that help you stay hydrated without overthinking it. Drink a glass of water when you wake up. Carry a water bottle if you're going out or to work. Eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, lettuce, and strawberries. If you feel tired or get a headache, try drinking water first. Don't force yourself to drink if you're not thirsty and feel fine. Conclusion: the 8 glasses a day rule is not a one-size-fits-all truth. It's outdated and misunderstood. Your body is smart. It tells you when to drink. Instead of following a strict number, pay attention to how you feel, the color of your urine, and your daily habits. Stay hydrated, but don't overdo it. Like most health advice, it's about balance, not extremes. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who still believes in the 8 glasses myth. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos that break down everyday health advice in simple and honest ways.